Good morning, everybody, and thanks for joining in. It is Wednesday morning, and I'm Bill with Franklin Loan Center. Hey, today is day 2 of the Fed Reserve meeting. It's the first meeting with Jay Powell as our new Fed Reserve chairman. Janet Yellen's meeting, or last meeting, was last month. And so now Jay steps in, and I talk about this every time there's a Fed Reserve meeting, and this month it's no different, right? I mean, so the interest rate that we always hear in the news that is getting tinkered around with, it is definitely not directly related or does not have a direct impact on our mortgage rates. That said, it is big economic data that does have an indirect impact, or certainly can have an indirect impact. So it's just one of those things. I mean, they're certainly expected to raise a 1/4 point today. That is not going to be a direct correlation, again, to mortgage rates. You're not going to see an automatic increase in the mortgage rates by a 1/4 point. So that's the good news. It's just, but it is, again, it's a big economic data point. It's even bigger this month because of having a new Fed chairman. It's definitely something to watch, kind of what does he say about the increase and some things like that. If he starts to sound bullish on the market, then that could be bad for interest rates. So we will see what happens. I'll get an update out on that. Just in general, rates have not been favorable for several months now, and so I'm always kind of locking in. I say not favorable, but let's keep that in perspective, right? I mean, we're still. So we're off historic lows, but we're still in, really good territory. So anyway, any questions on this, let me know. Feel free to comment. In fact, I would appreciate it if you would comment, like, share the video. For anybody that's thinking about buying a house and maybe freaking out about their interest rate, love to have a chat with them. So again, I'm Bill with Franklin Loan Center, and have a great rest of your week.